Hello students, in this video I'm going to introduce you some components of electric circuit. So first we'll start with battery eliminator. See, this is battery eliminator. This will attach in the circuit in place of battery or cell. Okay, and here voltage regulator is there. तो हमें जितनी रिक्वायरमेंट हो हम उतने पर इसको सेट कर सकते हैं वोल्टेज को. ओके, नाउ द सेकेंड थिंग is voltmeter. See, in this MV is given and one scale is given which is 0 to 500 range. So this voltmeter gives reading in millivolts. Okay, and see, it has two terminal, positive and negative terminal. Okay, and it is always connected in parallel with the circuit. Okay, now next is ammeter. It is just similar to the voltmeter, but there is a difference in the functioning of ammeter and voltmeter, and connection also. It is always connected in series with the circuit. It has also two terminals, and again scale is given which is 0 to 500 milliampere range, and if here a small m is given along with A, it means it will give you the value of current in milliampere. Okay, range is 0 to 500, so it will give you the value in milliampere less than 500 milliampere. Okay, now next component is very important. It is ammeter is a current measuring device, voltmeter is a potential difference measuring device, but galvanometer is the current detecting device. It has also two terminals, and see, in the scale of galvanometer, 0 is given at the middle and both sides scales are given. Here 0 to 30, here 0 to 30. So galvanometer gives two side deflection. Okay, and it shows or it detects the presence of current in the circuit, and it will give you the direction of current in the circuit. Okay, now next thing is resistance. See, three things are there. One, this is cylindrical in shape, and here you can see winding is there, metallic winding is there in this ceramic cylinder, and again this is also box like structure. This is called resistance box, and this wire, this is called wire bound resistance. This wire, nichrome wire, it is also, we'll use this wire as a resistance. Okay, so what is the difference between these three? So it is completely, if I am giving you a wire, it is its resistance is not known, it is unknown resistance. We have to find the resistance using Ohm's law. Okay, and for this many keys are there, and here you can see numbers are written. So this resistance box acts as a variable resistance. We can change the value of resistance as per requirement, and here the value of resistance is given. If we remove this key, so 1 ohm resistance will offer in the circuit. If 2 ohm key will remove, then the resistance offered by the resistance box is 2 ohm. So in this, the value of resistance is known. So it is known variable resistance. Okay, the value of this wire bound resistance is fixed. It is not, it is unknown also, and it is constant. And see this rheostat. Rheostat is used to change the current in the circuit. It is also a variable resistance. It acts as a variable resistance, but here resistance is not known. It is unknown variable resistance. When we slide this slider the value of resistance will change, as well as current will change in the circuit. Okay, and last, this wire, you can see this wire, cotton thread is wounded over there, provides insulation. And see, it is a copper wire. Why it is made up of copper? This wire is a connecting wire, and it is used for connections just because of its resistance is negligible. Its resistivity is negligible. Its resistance is also negligible. That's why we'll use this wire एज अ कनेक्टिंग वायर. ये अपना कोई रेजिस्टेंस ऑफर नहीं करता है या बहुत कम करता है, एंड करंट विल ईजिली फ्लो थ्रू दिस वायर. ओके, सो चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट. थैंक यू.